Where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 what's your mindset? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 what's your mindset? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that you're done. Take flight.
I'm tired to say goodbye. I'm tired, waste my time. And you're still coming. And you're still coming. Taking chances I cannot give. I don't want you to stay with me. Cause your love hurt me. Cause your love hurt me. I want to wake up and breathe the air back. You just killed my vibes. Ay. I want to wake up and breathe the air back. You just killed my vibe. Oh, I changed my number. Again, oh, I changed
Lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness.